Hi, so I've just moved into a new place and I've had to take the curtains down, see here and here, because of the iguanas. So I'm going to crochet new curtains. Okay, so this is the original curtain for the small window over there. I'm just going to try and copy the size of it. So I'm going to use this thick cotton yarn. Okay, it's a bit too thick for clothes, and a 5mm hook because that's all I could find. And this is the stitch I'm going to do, a mesh stitch, and I'm just going to chain a length to match this. I will put this graphic up on the screen for you. Okay, so I lost count how much I chained, but I'm just making a length of the curtains here. Okay. So once you have what you need, you're going to do an extra chain 3 here, skip 2 stitches and double crochet. Okay. Then chain 2, skip 2 stitches again and double crochet. Okay, that's the whole pattern, and we're going to do that all the way to the end. I'll put that chart on the screen for you right now. Okay, so here I am at the end. I'll show you what we're going to do. We're going to chain 5. That's a double crochet and then 2 chain across, and then double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, and then we continue 2 chain and double crochet into here all the way along. Okay, this is me after 5 rows. Let's hang it up and I'll show you.